Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this super short tutorial, I will teach you how you can create new layers to add them to your projects on photopea.com. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. It is super simple, guys. All you need to do is, so let's say you have an example image or project like that here, is click on that icon here in the bottom right corner that says add a new layer or simply new layer. That is going to add a new layer to your list of layers here. So what you want to do after that is add content to your layer. There's also another way, guys. For instance, you may add a text layer to your project by simply selecting the typing tool, by placing a text box somewhere here, and by entering your text. That is automatically going to add a text layer to your list of layers here to the right, so that you may customize and edit it or add more layers or text layers to your project. And that's basically it. That's how we do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got something from it, and we'll see you next time.